Hey, welcome to video 4-4 on credentialing as part of your hook. Now there's two things that credentials can do to prove that you would be a great guest. One of them is the I've been there, done that, and the other is look how many letters I have behind my name. Let's do the first one, been there, done that. I'm the guy that climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. That's interesting, that's a credential. So you don't have to consider a credential as a school, as a degree. A credential could be anything that you've accomplished. I was nominated for an Emmy Award. That's a credential. I won this award. I was the #1 real estate agent in the state of Georgia. Anything like that proves that you're good. And so those are fantastic. Anytime you can throw those in at any part of your pitch, I want you to do it. Another great thing is to include your credentials. Prove that you're a good guest. That could simply be, I'm a Harvard-educated PhD. That's probably enough to get you on the shows. As a matter of fact, there's a pretty famous Harvard PhD that's all they use to get on shows. I'm not going to mention the name, but I imagine you can figure it out. Using those sort of things, though, is great. I encourage it. If you have that kind of thing, use it. If you're a mother of 9, that's a credential that proves that you know something about either sex or mothering, right? Something. It proves something. Use these things for your benefit. If your book was a #1 bestseller, argue that. If your book was on the bestseller list 10 weeks in a row, say that. If your sales have increased 89 weeks in a row, use that. Anything you can do to prove your success, to establish your expertise is good, and it will help you get on the radio. All right, we're about to move on to Module 5. We're getting more and more specific. We've got some great information still coming.